Hey there, house cleaning business owners. This is Justin. And hey, today I want to talk about Airbnb clients. Some of you guys have found that Airbnb clients can be really cool if you figure out how to do it. And what's, to me, the best ones that I've seen happening out there is when folks oftentimes they don't just own one Airbnb. A lot of them own 9 or 20 or whatever it is, right? So when you can get in with someone like that and kind of fill up your schedule with solid Airbnb cleans, especially if you're coming into it with some expertise or a little bit of experience, you can talk to it intelligently, which just takes a little practice. That you can make some really powerful, almost more like commercial type of deals with folks, and really handle their stuff and fill up your calendar, right? So basically, yes, you can do this kind of thing on Turno and some of those other platforms, right? And you can be contacted. But what we found is that some of the best connections we've been able to create is by having a nice landing page for Airbnb cleaning on a website or kind of hidden out there wherever it is, and you're running ads and SEO campaigns to that page. And then on that page, you got to do a good job of telling your story and, how what's going on with Airbnb cleaning, right? The ins and outs, there's a lot of little things to it, like garbage gets in there and towel drying. And, there's different aspects to it than just normal house cleaning in some ways. So you got to talk to that. And the more you know, the better, right? But you get them onto that page and they see that you know what you're doing, then that kind of dissolves some of that price, sensitivity that they might have, and they know that they're going to get a nice turnkey service. And then even if there's not a ton of traffic, right? If you look at the keyword volume, maybe not a ton of people are searching Airbnb cleaning or Airbnb cleaners, but the ones that are going to be rock solid, leads for you out there, right? So that has proven to be a really powerful tactic in our business that we run for clients. And we see leads come in as, if you're running Google ads, like as little as $8 or $12. And, on the SEO side, I guess they're not free because we're doing the SEO, but they're very inexpensive. So it's a very powerful thing that very few people are taking advantage of out there. So just want to let you know to think about that, and it could be really valuable for your business. All right, peace out. See you guys.